US crude has seen a good drop yesterday. It went till towards 80, failed to stay below 80. It has bounced back, recovered strongly, and now trading close to 81 levels. At the same time, my favorite NG has again given a good rise. It has gone to my next target at 2.5. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should trade? Which position you should take trading? Crude oil, WTI, and net gas. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into crude oil, WTI, and followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now look at the early charts for US crude here. The resistance there we can see very clearly at 80.81.5 levels, and these are going to be the next strongest resistance. I told you yesterday also that till the time stays below 81.5, one can stay short. And see, we have seen a good drop. See, 81.5 now again going to be a very good resistance, and hence only one buy entry is above 81.5 levels. Now also if you look at, see the rise there, again the retracement. So see, once again one should look at, see, couple of big bullish candles, then this is still trying to create a flag here, and hence on the downside we should wait for it to break past 80.4 levels. Below that you can expect 79.8 levels, and then below that further drop till towards 79.4 can be seen. So in between 80.4 and 81.5 levels, do not take any trade in crude oil. That is what it appears. But let's have a further detailed look. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is almost trading flat and not showing any strength there. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour chart, this is the bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. The highs are now at 81.5. The lows are well below 79.8 levels, and hence this zone till 79.8. One should remain cautious. 79.8, 79.4 is certainly a very, very good support. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish. It is just crossed over with a little divergence, trading with a little divergence, not showing up any strength. Let's see if it does continue with the divergence, with the bullishness there. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, also on the 3-hour charts, there is a crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bearish indication. See, till this crossover, this bullish move started from here on 27th of March, and it has continued till now. It is for the first time it is willing to cross over on the downside, which is a bearish sign. So yes, you can stay short here at 80.4 levels, and below that further bearishness is going to take it further down. The same observation what we carried here. We are looking for potentially till towards 79.8, 79.4, very good support. Stochastic flat. MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over, but it has got the potential that it can cross over and trade with bullish bias. Let's see if it does. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts too, after a long while the moving average have started to converge, and once they cross over we may enter into slight bearish zone. Right now it is looking down. Potentially we can expect, if it drops below 80.6 itself you can sell, but then 80.4 is something I will look forward for it to break. Below that certainly 79.8, and if it breaks 79.8, further bearishness is going to prevail here. The stochastic has retraced a bit. The MACD is still bearish. It has not yet converged crossover. RSI is almost flat there at bottom. Now if you look at the daily, now see on the daily charts, first of all the new candle on this chart is yet to start. It will start in couple of hours, but what we can see here is the support there at 80, what we are seeing, and with that as support it is shown a little recovery. Now see, the candle size does mean does stay important for us, because see the body size is smaller there. That means that the prices are not willing to stay on the lower side. But I will wait for the next candle. If it closes somewhere around here and the next candle opens below, takes it further down, we can see similar size of candle which might be of almost $1, which means at around 80.6, if it continues to stay bearish, we can expect 79.8, 79.4 as the next target, and once it stays below 79, there is going to be further bearishness. Now look here, the 20 period moving average is right now situated at around 79.2. This is also, so 79, 79.4 zone is also is going to stay important, because below that there is a huge gap which needs to be filled by crude, which is still towards 76 levels. The stochastic, which was overbought, is looking down now. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry. Right now it is in green, and it is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is trying to look downwards, trying to stay bearish. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at either 80.6, those who want to risk a little, else 80.4 is a good, comfortable, safe entry where you can sell and expect it to drop for 79.8, 79.4. And then 79.2, 79 is the next support zone. If it breaks below, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. It might try to attempt to fill the gap there till 76. You can stay short below 79. Further bearishness is going to be seen there. At the same time, any buy entry today is above 81.5, beyond which you can expect 81.8, 82.4, 82.6, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at net gas. Now see, my favorite pick for this week was net gas, and I was recommending you to stay bullish in net gas for this week too since last week. See, we have achieved now close to 2.5 levels, and it is trying to retrace from 2.5 levels. But look at the hourly charts, you can find definitely there is a support here at 2.47 and 2.45 levels, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.45 or rather 2.44 levels. So till it stays above 2.44, do not sell, and below that 2.4 is the next support there, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail. And yes, those who want to take a little risk can sell at 2.44 levels, where you can expect a further drop for 2.4 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over for a sell. It is right now in the green zone. RSI trading very near to the highs, and if you look at 2 likewise on the 2-hour chart, double top here, symmetrical candles here. Once it stays below 2.47, you can expect 2.45, 2.44, very good support, and then 2.424 as the next support levels. So those who want to risk a little can in fact take a sell at 2.46 itself, but then 2.45, 2.44, very good support, only below which you can expect it to drop further. The stochastic is overbought, looking down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell, and it is this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels, and hence it can stress the drop for a little while. RSI is certainly overbought on the 2-hour charts, and if you look at 3-hour chart, now see, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. So this is the first red candle. Possibly there could be a second red candle which might take it till towards 2.45, 2.44 levels. The stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is also overbought here. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, one important observation is the 20, 50, 100 period moving average trading with divergence. Now there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 period moving average. Also you can see there is a reversal sign and a double top, and possibly once you see it trading below 2.47, you can expect 2.4544 as the first support, and then this zone is going to play an important role till 2.4, 2.38 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy NG only about 2.5 levels. Till the time it stays below 2.5, do not consider for a buy entry. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, yes, 2.5 is a very good resistance, and see, previously we have seen it giving the support. Now it is going to be a good resistance level. Beyond this, further bullishness may observe, but look, see, this is trading. NG is still trading in this bullish channel. It is looking upwards. The support there on the downside is going to be at 2.4, 2.38 2.36 zone. This is going to be a maximum support zone. So even if you are selling here at 2.46 or 2.47 or 2.44 levels, whichever as per your risk profile, you should remember that there are going to be stronger supports at 2.4, 2.38, 2.36 levels, and hence you should be cautious till towards 2.36 levels, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail in NG. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Beyond 2.5, certainly we are going to look at directly till towards 2.6 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.